coffee almost just went down. It's Thursday morning. If you saw yesterday's vlog, I was on a roll in my last vlog. I woke up at like 6:45 a.m., got my workout in first thing, was just like on a freaking roll. Went to bed at like 10 last night, which is still early, but then I slept until like 8:15. I do still want to get my workout in first thing this morning because it was really nice yesterday having that out of the way, but I also woke up pretty hungry, so first we're having breakfast. That's that. Happy Thursday. I will go over today's tasks here in a second as well. So my last vlog, I made a full like moving schedule, so we've already got our plan for today. Random question I just thought I would ask the audience about. Lately, as in only in the past like few days, I've noticed this, where I've like opened my laptop, started using it, whatever, and like my Wi-Fi's not working. I mean, why is the Wi-Fi not working? So I check my network. I'm connected to all these networks that I've never connected to, like that are like unsecured networks that I've never clicked on, I've never connected to. I've literally only ever used my Wi-Fi while being here, and it's like multiple different networks too. Like it's not even just like it's one. My laptop is just connecting to other networks. Why is it doing that? Have I been hacked? What's happening? Does anyone know? Confusing, and I don't like it. People. It's already like noon, maybe later. 12:38. My entire morning has just been spent on my computer and finishing one of yesterday's tasks, which was cleaning out the drawers of my desk, throwing away everything in there that I don't want to keep, and then packing everything I want to take with me. So now it's finally workout time. We're on Chloe day 7 and I'm tired, so hopefully it's gonna wake me up a little bit. Workout complete. For the record, I'm not showing too much of these workouts, the Chloe program, or really talking about a lot of my meals. I've been making like some cool dinners, some like plant-based whatever for my vegan video, and I'm doing the main channel Chloe Ting video. If I'm ever not showing a lot of my workouts or my meals, it's because you'll see it in those other vids. I'm about to hop in the shower, but I just made a salad. It was just the most unsatisfactory lunch I feel like I've ever had. Like, salads at home are just not good. Prove me wrong. I literally have never had a salad at home that I made with my own 2 hands that I thought was good. I feel like I'm gonna make a smoothie in like an hour. It was just not good. Found my chapstick from my last video that was missing. Thank God. All right, so post shower, just put on a little bit of light makeup. Oh, I forgot my juicy too. And we're ready. Now we're ready to clean or to pack up, I guess. It's time we take a look at my little moving schedule that I started making in the last vlog, and I've kind of planned it out through the next week. All these tasks are like cleaning stuff out and kind of like the first things I can pack up. In my last vlog, we cleaned out under my bed. I tried on and all of my swimsuits, went through those, figured out when I wanted to keep and move to the new place, as well as clean out my desk, which I just now finished today. We got a little behind. So today, my tasks include listing everything in the closet room. The closet room's a mess. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a second. A lot of these tasks pertain to the closet room. So first, everything I've already set aside that needs to be listed on Poshmark. Today is the last day. Whatever I don't list is just gonna get donated. That's my motivation. We're gonna just get it all done. Task 2, also in the closet room. I've not done a clean out of like my shoes I have in there in a really long time. I know I have like a million pairs of sandals I don't ever wear, a lot of like very similar pairs of heels, things like that. So I'm gonna clean out shoes. That's task 2. Task 3, I have a drawer in the nightstand to the left of my bed that's just full of jewelry. I'm gonna do a little clean out of that and go ahead and like have that all packed and ready to go. And then 4, I'm gonna go through this closet here in my bedroom. If we don't get to that one, it will be okay. Oh, it seems I even put on the schedule we're gonna clean out the closet in the closet room. That closet is crazy, so maybe not. But these are the goals, okay? I also reached out to Poshmark for this video, who was so kind as to sponsor it. You guys know I've been listing my clothes on there for probably at this point it's like going on a year. They're my favorite app to sell clothes on, and I'll show you guys in a second some specific items that I am listing today. And if you live in the US and Canada, you can hop on there and check out my closet, check out other people's closet. It's really easy to search through, just like by brand or by size. And find some items that you might like. So I'm gonna have the link to download it below. If you're doing some shopping and you want to save some money, you can find a lot of items up to even like 70% off the retail value. People have been really into the girlfriend brand shorts I've been listing because those are so expensive. And I forgot to return them by the return date. So those went on Poshmark. I think they might be sold at this point, but just lots of really nice brands. Also, this is great news for me from like the selling perspective. You can now sell home things on there as well, not just like fashion and beauty. You can sell like bedding, decor, things like that. And I have actually already have gone through and found a few things in the home category that I need to sell as well. That's that. It's always fun. Some of you guys have bought stuff and tagged me in it on Instagram, which is just fun to see how something that was just sitting in my closet could be repurposed and looking so good and actually, you know, having a life getting used. So thank you again to Poshmark. We're gonna head on into the closet room. Made a little mint chocolate spinach smoothie with some banana. This will hopefully hold me over till dinner because that salad sucked. I'm not over it. All right, people, here's what we're working with. Here's the closet room that we're tackling. This is everything that's been listed on Poshmark that is like pending. Some of this has been sold. I need to pack that up and ship it tomorrow. This is everything. Actually, I think there's more in the closet that I need to list, that I must list today. These are all my sandals I was talking about. Lots of shoes, And then the worst part, oh, this closet. Let's see what we got. I think everything up there is Adrian's. These jackets are mine. I probably don't need them. Deep within this closet, there are more clothes that need to go on Poshmark. Do I start with that or do I start with taking photos of clothes? I think I'm gonna start with taking the photos of these other clothes so we can avoid everything that's in there for a couple more hours. I'm listening to some law while I do this. All right, got the pics taken. Now I'm gonna get started on all of the listings. A little preview of some stuff we've got. These express blazers that I love. I didn't need as many as I had, so we have some of these listed. This little Zara jacket number. Lots of pants and skirts. We have some American Eagle joggers down there, a bunch of different dresses. We have some Lulus, little Topshop denim jacket, black sweatshirt, some other, oh, we got some Zara bodysuits. So that'll all be on there very soon. All right, guys, I never thought I'd see the day where I have everything listed. It took a good hour and a half. Feel free to make an offer. Anything that doesn't sell, again, by the time I move, is just gonna get donated. So hop on over if anything interests you. Lots of fun finds. I will need to list shoes at some point if they're in like good condition. Probably not today, but I'm about to go into the closet room and start going through the shoes. And I'm so tired now. But we need to switch up what we're doing because my eyes hurt. I'm so bad. I have a pair of blue light glasses. Do they really do anything? I don't know if that's like a marketing ploy or if there's some like, you know, legit stuff to that. Feel free to let me know. I really just don't know. But I have a pair of those blue light glasses and I don't think I've ever worn them. I've never worn them in my entire life. But maybe I should because my eyes have been hurting a lot the past few days because I've just spent so much time on my computer. All right, next task. All right, all of that for this. The next matter of business is going through my shoes since I'm probably gonna wear mostly the same pairs of shoes over the next 2 weeks, as well as it'll be pretty easy to dig through if I like need another pair that I've already packed. I'm gonna go ahead, this is my first moving box. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out shoes, and then ones I do want to keep, I'm gonna put just in this box so that it's already packed. The shoes that I don't want to keep, I'm just gonna throw them to the hallway for a moment. Am I ever gonna wear these again? I love them. Am I gonna wear them again? I haven't worn these in so long, I feel like I can get rid of them. I've not worn those in so long. Alright, so we got those packed up. Another day is going to be like handbags and stuff. Obviously I need to go through everything that's right here. We have a few we're going to list. I put it back in the hallway to donate because I have a lot of donations out there already. Another item down, clean out shoes. Alright, cleaning out the closet in the closet room is definitely not happening today. I'm going to pack up my jewelry really quick. After that, maybe I'll try to tackle what is in this closet. I don't mean like going through clothes and stuff yet, but like tackling like I have party supplies. This is the jewelry drawer I've been speaking of. Kind of a mess. This stuff's probably just gonna go in the trash. It's mostly like tarnished stuff. I'm looking to find pairs for these things. All this is now ready to just like be set in a bag or box, whatever I'm gonna pack in. So as soon as I'm ready to do that, I'm gonna move all of that into a box. This one again is empty because I had swimsuits in it before. I am gonna list a few pieces on Poshmark. We have like some Daniel Wellington, Kendra Scott stuff. I also listed a couple watches yesterday, so that's gonna go on Poshmark. We're now crossing off the cleaning out jewelry one. I realized yesterday I didn't ever cross off cleaning out the desk. A couple things for today have not been accomplished. I don't know why I put so many like big project things, like an entire room and like this entire closet all in one day. Tomorrow's tasks are very achievable, like much smaller things, so I can just migrate the things I didn't get done today onto tomorrow. Yeah, I am now starving, so I'm gonna go eat some dinner and then watch Love Island. It's already 6:30, so I just poured up some kombucha for Love Island. God, it grosses me out. The like, what is this, like the little cultures at the bottom, whatever. Melody hates it. It's now only 8:45. I'm gonna change and get in bed and just like scroll TikTok like I always do at night. If anyone else is watching US Love Island, comment below who your favorites are. I'm here for Caleb and Justine. That's it for this video. Again, I'm gonna have Poshmark linked below if you guys want to go check out some stuff I'm selling. I feel like I'm making progress, getting a lot done, and yeah, I'm gonna pick it back up with another vlog tomorrow. Good night.